everybody, welcome to cloze test unit. I'm Hanny. Hey.
Hey. Oh, hey everybody, I'm Shane. Hey.
Hey. Wait, Shane 怎么了？我们要 Shane.
Huh? What's up?
你要听音乐
哦。
哦。
In a minute.
那我来运动好了。他不讲课，那我来运动。
哎，很吵哎！你这个干嘛？
我要运动啊！人家说这样可以瘦小腿啊。
Oh, fine, we can start the lesson. 真的很吵哎。
啊，你又不讲课，听音乐。
Okay, fine. Huh? What is that? I see people in Taiwan. They're always hitting themselves when they exercise. Why do you guys want to hurt yourself? Huh? Why?
They think it's healthy.
It's healthy to hurt yourself? So here, I want you to be healthy, okay?
I don't know, but I know that they're kind of making noise, right?
But in Taiwan, people love to make noise when they exercise. I used to live next to a park. And every morning, 他们会做气功.
气功, whoa.
Right? It's 6:30 in the morning.
And then while everybody's still sleeping.
And they'll play some music.
Right?
And it's really loud. And then the worst part is they start to do the qigong, right? And they will go, huh, huh. I seriously want to kill them.
Have you ever considered joining them?
No. So at the end, I will really use headphones so I don't have to hear them, and I will listen to music when I sleep. And then in the morning, I still have music, so I can't hear all the noise pollution.
You use this to block the noise pollution.
Yes, right? So you can keep exercising. I'm going to do this.
所以不会吵到你啊。
Huh?
Good.
I'll just turn it up louder. Hey, stop! Go on.
Animals help trees grow. To do that, the animals eat their seeds. Then they carry the seeds away from the parent trees. Later, the seeds go through the animals. When the seeds are on the ground, they start to grow and become new trees. However, that isn't happening in one forest in New Mexico. Gas wells near the forest are the problem. They make a lot of noise. That noise pollution scares animals away. That is bad because no animals may mean no more forest.
Whoa. That's my qigong. Do you like it?
Your qigong.
I learned a lot from those old ladies in the park.
I thought you said they were noise.
It is. But sometimes noise pollution can teach you something like qigong.
Well.
But I know that noise pollution isn't good for forests.
Oh, because we can see from the title, noise pollution isn't good for forests.
It isn't good for parks. It isn't good for sleeping people.
Isn't good for Shane.
It isn't good for Shane.
Alright, 我们今天是要谈噪音污染，让森林也遭殃。这个 noise 就是噪音、嘈杂声。So that's something.
他们有耳朵吗？
Alright.
So do trees hear? Do they have ears?
I don't think so.
So why would it be bad for them?
Maybe when we read on, we'll find out. But first, we have this vocabulary word noise, right?
Yeah.
Noise is something you can hear, but it's usually not pleasant.
Yeah, it's a negative word, right?
Right.
I wouldn't say, oh, I love the noise of your singing.
Well, if I sing like then that would be noise.
Yeah, that would be noise, but I won't say I love it.
Right.
If it's noise, it's not good.
Yeah, and then we have this word pollution. What is pollution?
Pollution is like something that is, it makes the environment negative or bad.
Right, do damage to it, right?
Exactly. So if I'm sleeping in my room and it's very noisy outside, like that, or we call this pollution because it is affecting my sleep.
And it's damaging his ears.
Damaging my health.
Right.
Okay.
And then we also have maybe air pollution.
Right.
Air pollution, noise pollution. And then 还有光害, right? Is it like light pollution?
That's
right?
true. There is light pollution. We don't think about that as much, but in big cities, there is a lot of light pollution, especially if you want to see the stars.
All right. Anyway, so let's start our reading. Okay, so the first sentence reads,
Animals help trees grow. The animals eat their seeds.
好，这边有一空格，我们先来看它的选项。选项 A，
Because of this,
因为这个，因此 B，
to do that,
就是说为了达到这个目的 ，and C，
after that,
在那之后，那么 D，
for them,
对他们而言，要回答这个题目啊，我们就要连前面句子一起看。他就说，动物有助于树木生长，然后空格，动物会吃这个树木的种子，所以他就是在讲说，这个动物是怎么帮助植物长，帮助它们 grow， 怎么达到这个目的。所以呢，答案就是要选 B。To do that,
That's right.
为了达到这个目的。So the correct sentence is
Animals help trees grow. To do that, the animals eat their seeds.
So they eat their seeds and the trees will grow?
Oh,
What's the logic?
the
I eat
logic.
your seeds and then you grow?
If I tell you the logic, you might feel it's a little bit disgusting.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. Think about this. If I eat your food and then you will grow?
Well,
Okay, let's not go into this and see the vocabulary where
so we have the word grow.
grow.
Of course, we know what that means, right?
一直长大，生长，成长 right?
Yeah, so from going to small and getting bigger.
From
means to grow.
seeds to maybe bushes, or from
Right.
seeds to trees, they grow, right?
Exactly. So a seed is something, basically, what it does is it will,
一个小种子。
yeah, it kind of has all the material to become the completed thing. For example, a tree, in one little seed, it has all the information to become a tree there. So if an animal eats a seed, it eats it, and then later it gets rid of the seed, and then the seed can grow into a tree.
Oh, that's how it works. But wait. I want to ask you that, like, as some fruits have seeds, right?
Right.
And then they don't grow in our body.
Well, maybe if you start eating dirt, if you eat a bunch of dirt,
Drink water, eat some dirt, and then it will grow.
maybe you could grow some
The
trees.
tree branches out of my mouth.
That would be awesome. Okay, I
No.
think we're getting a little bit silly now.
好了，就是我要讲说 seed 它也可以表达水果里面的籽，像 watermelon seeds，
Right.
西瓜籽 ，right?
Right.
Grape seeds，葡萄籽 something like that. Okay.
Exactly.
So let's continue reading.
Okay, then they carry the seeds away from the parent trees.
So the trees are just like their parents, the seeds' parents.
Exactly,
So
right?
they're parent trees.
Which makes sense. Like the mommy and daddy are the trees, and the seeds are the little babies.
Yeah.
And then
so
the animals carry the little baby seeds.
the animals stole their babies away. 好，所以 carry 就是去运送，把它搬走，或是拿，或是携带。Like nowadays, people carry their smartphones with them everywhere, right? They carry them.
Exactly. Or you might be carrying a disease. Like COVID. If they're carrying a
病毒带
disease,
在身上也是这样用啦。
don't carry it anywhere. Stay home. Okay?
I thought you were going to say carry a box.
No. You can't carry a box, but you can carry things that you can't even see.
哦
because you're carrying them
可以带着
inside.
细菌。
My point is actually animals are not carrying the seeds in their
哦，不
hands,
是用，因为动物在搬这个种子，不是用手拿，they carry them in
in their
their.
body, in their
Right.
tummy.
That's right. Okay, so let's continue. So the next sentence says.
The seeds go through the animals.
好，我们来看这个空格，来选项 A
Also,
就是而且此外 ，B
later,
later 就是过些时候晚一点，稍晚的那种意思，然后是 C
however,
然而不过怎么样，还有 D
so,
就是所以，所以这题目就是讲说啊，空格种子通由动物的身体排出。同学们有没有觉得这个课文很像在讲种子奇幻之旅的 magical journey of the sea？ 他们被动物吃到身体里面，然后跟着跑到很远的地方，然后再从动物身体排出。
but if I'm the seed, I don't think I want to go on this journey, okay?
The seeds like, yay, I'm going out to see the world.
I don't want to be like in somebody's mouth and then have to go out of them on the other side. I don't want to go on this magical journey.
But later, they can be somewhere else, far from their parents. 好，我们这边讲一下，因为他在描述这个种子的奇幻旅程，所以我们可以用 later 来描述这个过程，说之后、后来过一些时候呢，发生了什么事。所以我们这边答案要用 later. So the correct sentence is.
Later, the seeds go through the animals.
So going through from the mouth through their body and then
And then out the...
okay, just end this part here. Right. Let's not go too deep.
I don't want to be the seed because I know what means.
All right. Let's take a break.
I don't want to eat lunch now. Yeah, I'm not hungry suddenly.
Welcome back. So we were talking
The
about
magical journey of
the sea, of the little cute tiny little baby
baby
seeds.
seeds.
Right. So the animals eat the seed
Right.
and then they swallow it.
Yes, I'm just going to say it. Then they poop the seed out.
Wait, go through their body.
Go through it, and then they poop it out.
Maybe.
Poop.
Poop.
You can,
Okay,
you can
just
say
say
poop. All right.
All right.
Yeah.
And then they go out of the animal's body.
That's right.
So let's continue reading.
Okay. When the seeds are the ground, they start to grow and become new trees.
Okay, let's look at our options.
Okay.
So A
At.
就是在什么什么地点或在什么时刻。B
With.
就是和什么在一起。C
On.
就是在什么的上面。D
Beside.
在什么旁边。那这个题目就是说啊，当种子空格地面，它会萌芽生长成新的树木。那个 ground 就是地啊，地面就是我们会用单数表达。这题很简单吧？因为噗，它就掉到地上了，它就会在地上，所以在地上我们介系词就会用 on, right? On the ground. So the correct answer will be C, on.
Okay, so the correct sentence will be when the seeds are on the ground, they start to grow and become new trees.
Wait. I think the body waste from the animal could be the fertilizer.
It is fertile. That's a good word. Fertilizer.
那个是肥料，
肥料。
对不对？他们动物的那个不的东西可以变肥料，然后它就可以长大。
Yeah, so actually the seed will be in the 肥料, right?
Right.
Inside the fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
So the difference between on and in, of course, on, there's nothing covering it.
Right.
In, there's something covering it.
Yeah.
So the seed is first on the ground, but
ground.
maybe it's still in some
Poop.
poop. It's in the fertilizer.
在那个 body waste 里面。All right, so let's continue. So, however, that isn't happening in one forest in New Mexico.
Wait, why? Maybe the animals don't know how to poop?
Can they just keep eating and then not poop? That would be...
Oh, yeah, they will probably
Oh my
die.
God. But wait. Can you help me with this geography thing? Where is New Mexico?
New Mexico is near, it's in America.
Yeah?
And it's kind of near Nevada, California. It's on the west
Oh, it's on the west side.
side of the United States.
Oh,
And
新墨西哥
Mexico, yeah, so Mexico is the country which is underneath or below the United States. And this is called New Mexico, but it's a state in America.
所以不是新的墨西哥 It's not a new country.
It's not a new country, right?
So it's a state in the United States. Okay, so gas wells near the forest are the problem. 然后我们看到一个空格，那是一个句子哦。
Oh, wow, a whole sentence?
Yeah, it's a whole
So
sentence.
it's like,
All right, 所以我们前面说到那个种子奇幻旅程啊，这个现象没有发生在新墨西哥州的一座森林里面，原因就是出在那一座森林附近的这个天然气井 gas well， 就是天然气井。So well is not like being good.
it's like, yeah, it's like, how are you doing? I'm well.
No, that's somewhere you can get something else like water or gas or
Right, exactly.
Yeah, 井就是 well 这个字。好，那我们来想想看，为什么天然气井会是它的问题所在？So the options are A.
They have a bad smell.
I can imagine they might have a bad smell.
Maybe, yeah.
可能
if
他
we
们有一股
think about
臭
the
味。
肥料, yeah, and poop, yeah, maybe.
那个天然气井 they have a bad
Oh,
smell.
they might have a bad smell. Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
okay.
it's gas, right? Okay.
Right, B.
They put gas into the ground.
哦，他们把天然气放进地底。C.
They use too much land.
他们用了太多土地。D.
They make a lot of noise.
他们发出大量的噪音。好像有点难。
Well, we do know that we're talking about noise
Noise.
pollution, right?
That's right.
So logically,
Oh.
the one that has something
To do with the noise.
noise is probably the correct answer. Are we right? Are we
yeah.
right?
啊，wait，所以说我们说听起来这个选项好像都有可能，可是同学们听到关键字就是噪音，所以标题里面也有说噪音嘛。那到现在都还没有读到相关内容，我们就可以偷偷看下一句。The next sentence says that noise pollution blah blah blah.
Right.
所以可以猜到答案啦。That's D. They make a lot of noise.
So the correct sentence, they make a lot of noise.
Right. So that noise pollution, animals. Okay, so here we have our 4 options.
Okay.
So A,
Scares animals away.
right, scares away, scares animals away, 把动物吓走了。B,
Brings animals in.
brings in, 把动物带进来，拿进来。C,
Gives animals up.
gives up， 跟这个放弃戒掉，你可以把动物放弃掉还是戒掉吗？
That's a little bit weird.
You're right.
Keeps animals together.
我们 D 是 keeps together， 把动物聚在一起。好，题目刚刚是说啊，那样的噪音污染会空格动物空格。这样同学们应该猜到吧？噪音污染应该是把动物给吓跑吧，不是把动物带进来。我们这边 party noise， 然后 bring them in。No, it's not like that.
See, scared.
That would be scared. Okay, so 我们不是把动物放弃、戒掉，这些都听起来很奇怪。好，所以这题答案就是 A, scares away.
Right, so the correct sentence, that noise pollution scares animals away.
And this is bad. Why?
It is bad. That is bad because no animals may mean no more forest.
Oh, so the noise scares the animals away.
So they are not going to bring the seeds, right?
Right.
Over to this land, to this area.
To this forest.
To the forest there. And that means the seeds are not going to go on the ground.
Maybe they're moved somewhere, right? The animals would be scared and then run somewhere else.
Right, exactly.
That's why there'll be no forest, healthy forest there.
Exactly. Wow.
Wow.
I wouldn't imagine the gas wells would be noisy.
Maybe like make some sounds like
Yeah, maybe when the gas is released,
yeah.
it makes some noise because I know when I release gas from my body, it makes some noises.
Are you making some right now?
I will know. The one I made now is silent.
Ew, I'm going away.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Animals help trees grow. To do that, the animals eat their seeds. Then they carry the seeds away from the parent trees. Later, the seeds go through the animals. When the seeds are on the ground, they start to grow and become new trees. However, that isn't happening in one forest in New Mexico. Gas wells near the forest are the problem. They make a lot of noise. That noise pollution scares animals away. That is bad because no animals may mean no more forest.
好，那我们来复习今天的4个单字哦。第一个单字 noise 就是噪音啊，或者是吵杂声。那它是一个名词。我们来看一个例句 ：Where does the noise come from？ 那个噪音是从哪来的啊？好，那么第二个单字是 grow。Grow 是一个动词，它可以表达生长、成长，像植物的成长、人的成长，或者是可以表达我们种植植物的那种意思。好，那 grow 的动词3态是 grow、grew、grown。例如 ，Young children grow quickly， 小孩子长得很快，超快的，一下子才3个月没看到它就变很高了。好，第3个单字 seed， 它可以表达种子，也可以表达像我们水果里面会有那个籽啊，西瓜籽啊、葡萄籽等等那个籽，那它是一个名词。来看一个例句 ：Watermelon seeds are safe to eat.They are actually good for you. 西瓜籽是可以安全食用的，它们其实对健康有益哦。第4个单字 carry 是个动词，它表示运送、搬运，也有那种随身携带的意思哦。Could you help me carry these boxes upstairs? 你可以帮我把这些箱子搬到楼上吗
？Hey everybody, I'm Holly.
Hi, I'm Shane.
Hey Shane, I was just around Shiling MRT. Do you know where I can go that's within walking distance?
I know a great place that you can go that's full of scientific wonders.
Really? Where?
Right here, silly. The National Taiwan Science Education Center.
That sounds awesome. Let's go now.
Yeah, let's go.
This museum is right next to the Children's Amusement Park, and it's perfect for today because it's a little rainy outside, so we can have a lot of fun indoors, right, Shane? Shane?
The center takes science out of the classroom and into everyday life. The permanent exhibitions have more than 600 amazing displays. Lots of them are hands-on and interactive installations. You can learn science through play.
At the basement level, you can find other exciting facilities such as the 3D theater, VR theater, and the Kids Learning and Discovery Playground.
Regardless of your age, this is a wonderful place for you to explore.
Rain or shine, you can always come to National Taiwan Science Education Center.
To learn about science.
Or simply enjoy a good time.
Have fun, everybody.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
See you next time!